In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your drop-down selections here in Google Sheets. So if you want to start over with a column of, let's say, drop-downs that already have choices with them, here's how you can do it. So first, if you just want to delete a selection in one cell, what you're going to do is to select that cell, click on it, then press delete on your keyboard. And there you have it. Now you don't have anything selected on that drop-down. If you want to do this in a range, there you go. Again, all you'll have to do is to select that range and select delete. Now, if you're trying to delete an entire column, all you'll have to do again would be to select that entire column by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow to select the entire column. Of course, except our header right here, which we do not want to delete. If you press delete on your keyboard, there you have it. We have completely cleared out all the selection on this specific dropdown. Let's try that again. Go ahead and select that entire column except for that header. So Control, Shift, or Command and Shift and your down arrow key. Now you've selected that entire column. Press on Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. And there you have it. We've successfully cleared those two columns of drop-down selections right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to learn more about your drop-downs or your data validation, I have a separate video talking all about that, and I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. And if you still want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.